These should get you going. Name the album that features the smash single Rolling in the Deep. It's option D, 21. Which James Bond film's title theme earned the singer her first Oscar? And it is option D, Skyfall. In which European capital was the future singer born? Lock it in. Option C, London. Not too easy, not too hard. Identify what the numbered titles of her studio albums signify. And the correct answer is option D, her age. During the 2017 Grammys, she halted and restarted a tribute to which late British pop star to honor him properly. The answer here is option D, George Michael. How many Grammy Awards did she sweep in one night at the 2012 ceremony celebrating her breakup-themed second album? You're looking for option D6. Where was her 2021 CBS concert special One Night Only filmed? And it is option C, Griffith Observatory. These last ones separate the experts from everyone else. Name the One Republic frontman who co-wrote the stomping track Rumor Has It with her. It's option C, Ryan Tedder. Which indie label signed her after discovering her demos on MySpace? Got it? Option C, XL Recordings. This song from 25 invokes the river near her childhood home and layers gospel harmonies. Name it. Lock it in. Option C, River Lee. How many did you get? Drop your score in the comments and subscribe. We drop quizzes every day.